Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print out all of the elements in a Selenium element, web element rather, using Python and Selenium. If you get anything out of this video, please hit the like and the subscribe button. So I'm going to show you first. Here is the method in question using Selenium. So so if we were to do find element and we just print that, I'll show you what that gives us. So we open up this web page and find element. Okay, so that just returns the element. So we have to do element.text. So this, we rerun it. That gives us this price here, the first item. Okay, and that price corresponds to this number here. But if you see, there are tons of prices on this page, tons. So what if I wanted to print all of the instances of this CSS selector, this class dot price? Well, we use the method, instead of find element, we use find elements, which in this scenario returns a list. Okay, and then instead of just printing the single item, we no longer do this. Instead, we do for e in elements, print e.text. So what will this do? Here you go, and it prints out everyone, 29, 299. So let's see where 299 is. That should be second to last price on the page. Yep, and then the last one is a hat, $29.95. There you go. So that's how you print out all occurrences of a web element using Python and Selenium. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm speedrunning to 1,000. I got 118 subs now, and I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.